In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Exness account and start trading on MT4, MT5. We'll go step by step, visiting the website, registering with your email and country, verifying your details, choosing between a demo or real account, funding it, and logging into a platform like MT4 or MT5 so you can start trading smoothly. First, head to the official Exness website in your browser. Check the address bar for the secure padlock and make sure you're on the genuine site. Confirm the country or region displayed matches where you actually live, because this must align with your identification during verification. It's a good idea to bookmark the site and use a stable internet connection while you set things up. Begin registration by entering your email and selecting your country of residence. Create a strong password and store it securely. The personal information you enter should match your government ID exactly: spelling, order of names, and date of birth. Small discrepancies can delay approval, so accuracy here saves time later. Next, complete verification. Confirm your email via the link or code sent to you, then verify your phone number with the one-time code. For KYC, submit a clear photo of a government-issued ID and a document that proves your address. Use color images with good lighting and no glare. Include all edges and avoid cropping. Your proof of address should show your full name and current address. A recent utility bill or bank statement is typically acceptable. If your profile details don't match your documents, correct them before submitting. Processing can take a short time, and you'll see status updates in your dashboard and by email. Verification unlocks full account features, including withdrawals. Now choose your account type. A demo account is ideal for practice with virtual funds and zero risk, letting you get comfortable with the platform and your strategy. A real account connects you to live markets. You can also select whether you want to use MT4 or MT5, depending on your preference and tools you need. When you're ready to trade live, add funds in the deposit section. Pick a payment method available in your region, check minimums, processing times, and any fees, and double-check your account currency to avoid unwanted conversion charges. Withdrawals generally become available once verification is complete, and many regions require you to withdraw via the same method you used to deposit. Finally, open MT4 or MT5 and log in using the trading account number, password, and server shown in your Exness account area. Make sure you select the correct server and account if you have more than one. Once connected, you'll see live prices and can place orders. Accurate information and completed verification are the keys to unlocking the full experience, from funding to withdrawals.